Chris.
I'm Ellie.
And this is Blood Moon Grove. Welcome to our channel. We bought some raw land, trying to create our own paradise out here. And we're a little bit late on starting the videos, but we wanted to record the journey and share it with you.
Yeah. So today, what have you done?
All right, so we logged the property enough to get this beautiful home site started. Then we had to excavate all this rock and poured the concrete. And now we are getting ready to start framing up the floor system for the actual house. We got our well in, we've got power in. Our septic tank is now in the ground, so we're rocking and rolling. And very excited to build our little paradise out here in the wilderness.
We will now be starting some floor joisting. This will be the actual floor on top of our crawl space or root cellar.
Look up to the stars, they will carry you home, back to the place that's where you belong. People have been wondering where you've gone, 'cause you're trotting and you're trotting, keep it on, yeah. Some people spend their whole life searching, looking for a message in the lessons that we learn. And love is the fire, keep the fire burning. Speak from your heart, 'cause your heart is yearning to be free inside of people like you and me. It took me many lifetimes before I could see that, but now I see it so clearly, deep within the eyes of the people I love dearly, yeah. And still I'm learning from the air of my ways, so I'll be keep it on into the end of my days, 'cause I've learned in time, life is fucking beautiful, so go and let
Water?
Okay, here we can hold the tape. Woo! Beep, beep.
What is? I can't tell if it's a man-made thing or like a bush, but I don't know. I have to go scope it out.
Have to go scoping. Son of a bitch.
I feel like we're too low for them to be huckles. I wonder if there are blueberries up there. There's a couple like different baby patches of berries.
Hopefully they're huckberries.
That'd be awesome.
Megan just hit us up on the in-reach and said she just walked off.
Nice.
Good boy.
He's always such a good boy.
Hold me on there.
your light shine. Said I don't know which way I'm gonna go, but I gotta keep going.
So here we are laying out all the lines for our floor joists so we can make sure that they hit at 16 inches on center. It's tedious but very important so that we spread the load all over these beams.
You know, just take me home. Just take me away, far from the city where I've come to stay, to gather up my heartbeats, put them on the page, so I can throw them to the skyline, just to pass my time by. Every single word I say, let it be peaceful, let it be meaningful. Create something beautiful, powerful, magical, something I can live for. What are you waiting for? Go and let your light shine. Said I don't know which way I'm gonna go, but I gotta keep going. Just take me home.
So after we make all of our marks, I had to go through and just hammer down any staples that were left over from the protective wrap on these beams. That way when we snap our chalk line, everything is nice and smooth.
There to the place that I wanna be. Looking up, I see the future in front of me. I see the past.
Here we are doing the first rim board. Our plans call for a double 2 on 12, and this will be our perimeter. And eventually we'll get into the interior floor joist.
Sometimes I laugh, sometimes I cry. All of my darkness, all of my light. Said I don't know which way I'm gonna go, but I gotta keep going. Just take me home. When you look up to the stars and you feel it in your heart, that's when you know. Just take me home. Just take me. Yeah. That one felt really good. I think that one was. Well, if you're lost and alone, don't worry, 'cause you're already home. And I know it's a long, long road, but we're ready to go. I found beauty in the balance in between all the highs and the lows. So as long as I can sing my song, then I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go.
And here we are installing our first floor joist. This will be the floor of our master bathroom.
All the struggles and the troubles and the sorrow, yeah. I just give thanks, and don't worry about tomorrow. You're living today. Give thanks, you got to give thanks, ooh, yeah. It's all gonna be okay. We just give thanks, you know, we give thanks, ooh, yeah. Special shout out of love to our boy Stick Figure who wrote this song with us. We're thankful. I give thanks for this love that you're giving me. My love is like an ocean, it ain't got no worry. I'm sailing through the unknown on a forbidden sea. Well, I've been chasing the sun, but it's gone eventually. Waves get rough and I'm not giving up. This place, it is forsaken, your memories are sacred. Life gets tough, never stop looking up. Give thanks for this life, my soul, for whatever gonna come.
Good morning! We just finished the rim boards and now we'll be doing some floor joists today and hopefully knocking it out. Can't wait to see it all up.
Woohoo! Small victories.
Woo!
Gotta love it. Who would have
Thank you,
thought
Abby.
that took over a whole day? But we got it.
We did. High five.
High five.
My way, yes, I just give thanks, give thanks. All the struggles and the troubles and the sorrow, yeah, I just give thanks, and don't worry about tomorrow. You're living today. Give thanks, you got to give thanks, yeah. It's all gonna be okay. We just give thanks, you know, we give thanks, yeah. Oh, yeah. And you showed me the way. I felt your loving was a precious thing, you know.
While Chris finished installing the floor joist, I began cutting 14.5 wood blocks to go in between for more support.
I play you my song and you can always vibe with me. Your type of loving, girl, it moves me, yeah. But if you love something, you got to set it free. No matter where you stay, you'll always be my baby. Said you can be a million miles away and still receive my love.
All right, don't have anybody out here to film. It's like an episode of Freaking Alone or something. But wanted to show everybody how I'm doing these floor joists. So here we go.
Cause it don't matter where you are, I got you right inside my heart. You could be close, you could be far, you'll always be my baby, yeah, oh, yeah, oh. I loved you most, cause you were always by my side. Tell you my secrets and in you I can confide. I'll be a light in this dark time, yeah. Laying with you in the stillness of the night. Things change, we go.
That's a floor joist, each one. I don't know, several hundred to go. Did I mention it is literally 100 degrees today?
Slowly but surely, we worked our way across the house. Seemed like we would never get there, but eventually we did.
Well, I got you right inside my heart. You could be close, you